Hi, I'm Andrew Dahling, and we're here with the MAC Archives, and we're gonna get into the history, girl. So, you know, when the gloves come on, it is serious. We mean business. What is in here? Okay. This is one of the powders from the iconic Heatherette Collection. So we have Trevor Raines and Richie Rich, the designers of Heatherette on the box. Iconic. I have full body chills. Like, come on. The hot pink, the disco ball, like, crazy story. I was doing makeup on this woman. She always asked for me at the counter at Bloomingdale. She would come in like 2-3 times a week. I'd take all her makeup off and do the same makeup. She was really good friends with Richie Rich, and she introduced me to Richie. So I was actually like hanging out with Richie. It's crazy to see this and to know that MAC is the reason why I was introduced to him. So, sorry, when I was younger in Kentucky, I would just like lay in bed and smoke and just like get like so deep into this world that I loved so much and I related to so much, and it was like where I found myself. Sorry. This means a lot to me for many reasons. I'm gonna open it. Beauty Powder Alpha Girl. So let's see. Oh my god. A nice pastel, peachy pink. So smooth harmony. It's like a nice warm bronzy contour. I will never shut up about it. I mean, oh my god. Okay, I'm getting emotional again. Why am I crying? I don't know why I'm crying. All the rhinestones. It's like pool of glamour. I have the one that Amanda slathered herself in for the ad. I have to mention that, like the Amanda Lepore, David LaChapelle ad is like, doesn't get any more iconic than that. Every once in a while, just imagine myself putting it all over my face. Ah, okay. This is Susanne Bartsch. Oh my god, Susanne. Susanne is very special to me and to a lot of people. And this is from one of her collaborations with MAC, her lash line. To like get to meet her in real life was like so insane and such an honor. They had this like Susanne Bartsch Follies. So I went up to her. I told her I was going to the Love Ball and she was like, oh great, okay, I'll give you my number. There I was, standing there, just fresh off the bus from Kentucky, like obsessed with this woman, so nervous, and she's giving me her phone number. Like that's who she is. Frosties! Okay, so we're gonna get into some frosted lipsticks. Girl, my heart is beating really fast. This is the first one from '97, Abstract. Oh god. It's like a gold. Like a really icy gold. No interruptions. Holy crap. This like weird green. Gel, of course, gel. I love gel. Just stand at the counter and like smear this on. I mean, hello. So freaking cute. I would just wear this for the rest of my life. Like one lipstick for the rest of your life, it's this. I'm just gonna be that girl. It's kooky on the sidewalk. So this is the iconic CB96. Hello. So freaking cute. It's like that peachy gold, kind of like 70s. Oh, this was another one I used to wear all the time. It's just such a beautiful color combo and it's so like rich and opulent. These are especially iconic because these were the first ever MAC designer collaboration for Christian Blanken, 96 and 97. So CB96 was the first one and then they did O the next season. Anybody in the comments know the history why this is called O? I would love to know. I'm Andrew Dahling and this is the MAC Archives. Thank you so much for having me and let us know what you want to see next because there is definitely more to come.